for us this evening, we have an overcast sky over downtown Savannah, and ahead of our next system that we are tracking for the weekend, that brings us the potential for wintry weather. We are beginning to track a few showers. So there's that view from our Savannah camera overlooking downtown, and you can see on Viper radar starting to pick up on some of that activity around Long County and into Liberty County and further to the south into McIntosh County. Pretty light rain at the moment, and as far as what we will be expecting overnight, a few more showers are possible, and that'll be the case first thing for our Saturday morning. Then it's more toward lunchtime when we will begin to see a change over to snow, and with that the temperature will be dropping throughout the day, upper 30s, close to 40 early in the day, and then already likely many of us will be around freezing, if not below freezing, by 3 and 4 o'clock in the afternoon, with the 20s expected going into the evening hours. So all the snow that does fall will likely not melt away, but the winds will start to pick up, and we will be dealing with some blowing snow at times. So rain showers early Saturday morning. Snow begins by midday, so we're weather alert because of that. Some heavy snow is possible with extra higher snowfall totals to the north of our area, but within our region along and north of Interstate 16, 1 to 4 inches certainly not out of the question. And then bitterly cold conditions set up for us on Sunday. As that system clears out of the region, the winds will be strong, and that will give us wind chill values in the single digits. So the best chances for accumulating snow will be where we have the winter storm warning in place in pink. That starts Saturday morning and continues into Sunday afternoon. Those are the areas where we do have the highest totals expected. We still can see some accumulating snowfall where we do have the winter weather advisory in place generally south of Interstate 16. That starts at noon Saturday and continues into early Sunday morning. Again, the highest totals will be the further north you go, but 1 to 2 inches not out of the question for our area, but a coating with some flurries possible along and south of 16, and the more south you drive, the snow becomes a little bit less likely, so that'll be closer to the Florida border. So for tonight, a few showers possible for us as that low pressure center that we have been tracking over the past few days starts to really organize off of our coast. That's when we will begin to see those change in the winds from the north. Temperatures will drop off. Showers become more numerous. Then as that colder air settles in around lunchtime, we will see that change over to all snow for our area. Not everyone will be dealing with heavy snow all day long, but we will have snow showers in a few spots with more intense snow setting up. And this is going to be a dry, powdery snow, so it will not take much for the totals to add up pretty quickly for us. You can see by 8 o'clock, those winds will be out of the northwest and west with temperatures in the 20s. So snow continues to fall through the evening hours, and it will be blowing around. Same thing into the overnight hours as that low starts to pull a little bit more away from us. Still some snow continuing into the very early morning hours of Sunday. Extremely cold conditions are going to be setting up for us on Sunday. Wind chill values in the single digits, so we do have that extreme cold warning in place. The Vipercast model indicates that even through 9 o'clock Sunday morning, many spots will still be feeling like the single digits. For tonight, staying above freezing for most of us, mostly cloudy with a few passing showers. And then tomorrow, that temperature drops through the day, and that's when we do see that change over to snow from showers. Not a day to be out and about, not a day to be on the boat. Those winds will be picking up. Gale warnings are in place just off of the coast. Wind gusts over 40 knots are not out of the question. So weather alert for Saturday because of the snow likely across our area. Very cold for Sunday, and that will be the case even through the afternoon hours. So weather alert because of that as well. And then going into the early part of the new work week, lots of sunshine, but staying cold. But then Wednesday and Thursday, a few showers are possible. At least temperatures will be a little bit closer to normal, back into the middle and upper 50s.
And you and your team will be doing cut-ins over the weekend.
Absolutely. We will have everything covered, digital, on air, and online.
Okay, thank you so much.
Coming up in sports, we have a game rescheduled because of the weather. In Statesboro, find out when GSU women will play Arkansas State coming up next.